BrainyQuest, fun with our nervous system. Question 1. What does the nervous system control? Answer: all of these. Question 2. Which organ is the control center of the nervous system? Answer: brain. Question 3. What are the parts of the nervous system? Answer: brain and spinal cord. Question 4. What protects the brain? Answer: skull. Question 5. Which part of the nervous system runs down the back? Answer: spinal cord. Question 6. What do nerves do? Answer: carry messages. Question 7. How many parts does the brain have? Answer: 3. Question 8. Which part of the brain helps us think? Answer: cerebrum. Question 9. Which part of the brain controls balance? Answer: cerebellum. Question 10. Which part of the brain controls heartbeat and breathing? Answer: medulla oblongata. Question 11. And make up the nervous system. Answer: both R and B. Question 12. What protects the spinal cord? Answer: backbone. How does the brain receive messages? Answer: through nerves. Question 14. Which part of the body has the most nerves? Answer: brain. Question 15. How many sense organs do we have? Answer: Question 16. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Answer: pupil. Question 17. Which part of the ear helps us hear sounds? Answer: eardrum. Question 18. What part of the nose detects smell? Answer: smell receptors. Question 19. What part of the tongue detects taste? Answer: taste buds. Question B. Which part of the eye helps us see colors? Answer: retina. Which part of the brain helps us solve math problems and read books? Answer: cerebrum. Question 22. Which system works closely with the nervous system to help you react quickly? Answer: muscular system. Question 23. What are neurons? Answer: nerve cells that carry messages. Question 24. What does the brain send to muscles to make them move? Answer: electrical signals. Question 25. Which part of the brain is also called the little brain? Answer: cerebellum. Question 26. Which type of nerves carry messages from the brain to the body? Answer: motor nerves. Question 27. Reflex actions happen without thinking. Which part controls them? Answer: spinal cord. Question 28. Why do we pull our hand back quickly when we touch something hot? Answer: due to reflex action. Question 29. Which part of the brain keeps working even when we are asleep? Answer: medulla. What is the colored part of the eye called? Answer: iris. The ear has how many mere parts? Answer: 3. Question 32. What is the clear front part of the eye that covers the pupil? Answer: cornea. Question 33. Smell and taste work together too. Answer: enjoy flavors. Question 34. Which part of the brain receives messages from the eyes? Answer: cerebrum. Question 35. What helps the ear collect sound waves? Answer: outer ear. Question 36. The tiny projections on our tongue are called endoscope. Answer: taste buds. Question 37. The endoscope interprets the information received from the sense organs and reacts. Answer: cerebrum. Connects the retina to the brain. Answer: optic nerve. Question 39. The endoscope inside the nose has tiny hair-like structure. Answer: nasal cavity. Question 40. Which of the following part of the brain is responsible for our memory? Answer, cerebrum. Our brain needs a continuous supply of and to survive. Answer, blood and oxygen. Go, vibrate when sounds hits. Answer, eardrum. Question 43. Focuses the light. Answer, lens. The outermost portion in front of an eye has a circular, transparent layer called the Answer, cornea. Question 45. Sensory nerves receive messages from the muscles. True or false? Answer, false. That's all for today. Hope you score well. Let's meet in new video.